Hi everybody, this is Dave Show from Toledo, Ohio in the US, and this is boot camp day 3. We're doing exercises with arrays and functions. It was a fun class today. And so the requirements were that we do some of these activities with the arrays, record a video and submit it. So I did just that. I made a little app that does all of those things, every one of those different operations, reverse, max, sum, etc., etc. Put it all into a little app that's similar to what we did with the friend list, where we have a menu, and Toby offers us the opportunity to enter a command, and then he takes action based on it. I felt sorry for Toby. He was so lonely. We've been working through all these classes, and he just has to sit there and watch us have fun. So I included him in this little activity. There's a function for every single one of these array operations, reverse, max, sum, all of them. And this array is a little different because Toby builds it at the very beginning and then reports it to us. So he builds it with random numbers between 1 and 30. That way it's always a little different. And Toby prints the application prints the numbers down here that are in the array, so that when we do the search, we can check for the honesty of whether or not the search term actually is in there. Toby generates a random number and tosses it into the search to see if it's in the array. So there's lots of randomness going on. So let's see what we've got here. There. Toby's given us our little menu that we can choose from. He gives us our array, and here's the array contents down there. When we do the search, it's easy to tell if the program's working properly. So the first thing I'm going to do is the reverse, and there's the reversed array. I'm going to do the max. Max is 28. Yeah, that looks pretty good. The sum, 161 for adding up all those random numbers. There's nothing in here to prevent an extra random or a random number being duplicated in the array. The array isn't going to reject it if there's two numbers with the same value. Let's see, we're going to do search. Random number 11 is not in the list. Random number 13 is not in the array. 16 is not in the array. 5 is not in the array. Getting pretty lonely here. Oh, 15 is in the array. There it is right there. So search is working. V for average. The average value is 17.8 and change. And then if we get tired of working Toby so hard, then we can just hit X and the little program stops and he says bye. So that's all there is to it. Thanks a lot.